I'm about to show you how to find winning products that are currently making hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales for other brands. We'll be looking at trending dropshipping stores and viewing their sales data in order to find products that are working right now. By doing this, you'll be able to spot trends and get the same results yourself. Let's get right into it. The tool we'll be using in this video is Zip Analytics. Zip Analytics is a Shopify product research tool. They allow you to spy on your competition. You can view their products, how much sales they're making, which products are getting sales, and so much more. They actually just launched for Shopify this week, and I was able to take advantage of their launch offer. The first 1,000 people that sign up for Zip get 50% off and unlimited usage. And the spots are going pretty quick, so I recommend you jump on that if you want to try out Zip yourself. I'll link them down below in case you're interested, but let's jump inside and find some winning products. So when you first log into Zip, you guys will be taken to the Market Insight dashboard right here. It's going to show you a few different things. So over here on the left-hand side, you can see the top Shopify stores over the last 30 days. And this list updates every 24 hours. Same thing with trending products over here. You guys can see the top performing products over the last 30 days updated every single day. You guys can choose your seller settings right up here at the top. We want to be looking at Shopify as your marketplace. You guys can choose AliExpress or Alibaba as your source website. But if you scroll through this list, it's going to show you the country that each store is based in. There's little icons right here that shows you if they're a drop shipper, a one product store, if they're print on demand. It's going to show you the amount of sales they're making every 30 days, as well as their revenue. Same thing with trending products over here. It's going to show you the top performing products, the price they're selling for, the amount of sales they're generating, and the revenue they're bringing in for each one of these stores. If you look over here on the right hand side, they also show you upcoming events. You guys can stay up to date with holidays or events, anything that can make you more sales on your Shopify store. So for example, we have 6 days until the 4th of July. You guys can see all of these trending keywords down here. For example, we can click on USA flag and it'll take us to this page over here. It's going to show you the top performing products related to this keyword. So you guys can see all of these products down here for the keyword USA flag. Going back to the dashboard, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending Shopify stores over the last 30 days. We'll take a look at this top one right here, since they have almost 8,000 sales and over $500,000 in revenue. If you click this little icon right here, it's going to take you to the store tracker, and this gives you additional information about this store. So you can see their ad channels right here. They're currently advertising on Meta. They have 6,750 products on their store, over 7,000 sales, $500,000 in revenue, and they made this store in November of 2017. If you scroll down, you can see their best-selling products down here. When it was uploaded, the price it's selling for, the amount of sales, as well as the revenue. This little icon right here will take you to the AliExpress link so you can sell these same exact products yourself. If you click on recently sold, it's going to show you their sales as well as the sales date. So this is a great way to spot what's currently working for other brands. Clicking over here on new products will show you new products that they're currently adding to their store. And it's also going to give you additional information like the upload date, the price, the amount of sales, and the revenue it's generated for this store. Now let's use the store finder to look up trending stores. If you click on store finder over here on the left hand side, it will take you to this page. You can search by keywords. Say you're selling products in the dog niche, you can type in the word dog right there to find stores within that niche. You can choose your store type over here, whether they're a dropshipping store, print on demand, or a one product store. You can exclude certain keywords. You can choose which social channels they use, as well as the ad channels. So if they run Meta or Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Pinterest, or Snapchat, and so on. You can choose which country these stores are based in. We'll go ahead and choose United States, as well as the language, the currency, the date range. We'll go ahead and leave that at 30 days. You can choose the minimum amount of sales each store is making. So let's say 50 sales, and we'll say $2,500 in revenue. We can go ahead and click search based on these terms right here. So for example, we can see that Wolf Apparel right here was created just a little bit over a month ago on May 24th. They have over 3,000 active products, 5,700 sold products, and $155,000 in revenue. Let's go ahead and analyze their store by clicking this button right here. So you guys can click this link right up here at the top, and it's gonna show you their Shopify store. You can go ahead and analyze your competitors by clicking those links, see what their website looks like. You guys can see this is a pretty basic store, and they're making over 6 figures a month. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of their best sellers. You guys can see all of these different print-on-demand products down here, the price, the upload date, the amount of sales, as well as the revenue. You guys can also click this link right here and it'll take you to the AliExpress listing. So going back to the example that you're selling within the dog niche, we're gonna go back to the store sales tracker right here. It's gonna show you your search history or other stores that you've looked up, but you guys can go ahead and paste one of your competitor links right up here in this bar. We'll say supertails.com, they're one of the top stores in the dog niche. We'll go ahead and search. So just from that, you can see that this store right here is based in India. You guys can see they have 8,000 active products, 6,500 sales, $80,000 in revenue, and they are created in 2021. Scrolling down, let's go ahead and take a look at some of their best sellers. You guys can see this pizza toy for dogs right here, this cat food, this printed shirt for dogs, and so on. Now let's go ahead and use the Product Explorer in order to find trending products. This is just like the store finder, but now we're gonna be looking for products instead of Shopify stores. We can start by typing in different keywords that relate to our niche, or if it doesn't matter, you guys can go ahead and leave this blank. You guys can choose if you want a dropshipping store, a one product store, or print-on-demand store, which type of ads they're currently running, Meta, TikTok, Pinterest, or Snapchat. So let's say we wanna find products that are selling on Facebook and TikTok. We'll go back to the dog niche for this example. We'll do the country as United States. We'll do currency as USD. We'll say the minimum amount of sales will be 150, and we'll do $5,000 as the minimum amount of revenue generated. We'll go ahead and click search and see what we can come up with. So you guys can see that all of these products down here match our criteria. You can see this dog bowl right here is selling for $39. It has 118 sales in the last 7 days, and it's made this store a little over $20,000. So out of all these products down here, the one that stands out is this spot on GPS dog fence. You guys can see that it was uploaded in December of 2021. It's selling for $1,000. It has over 60 sales in the last 7 days, almost 300 sales in the last 30 days, and this product has made $298,000. You guys can click on this title right here and it'll take you to their product page, so you can go ahead and look at their product page. You guys can use this to find inspiration when you go to build your own product pages if you choose to sell the same products. You guys can click the store tracker over here to find out more information about the store, and this AliExpress icon to find the exact same product on AliExpress. Let's go back up to the top and do another search. We'll take away the keyword. We're gonna look in all niches. We'll do minimum revenue of 20,000. We'll do minimum amount of sales as, let's say, 500. We still wanna look on Meta and TikTok ads. We'll go ahead and select one product stores so that you guys can find one product that's performing well. And we'll go ahead and click search right here. So for example, you guys can see this dancing cactus toy. I'm sure many of you guys have seen this product in the past. This was uploaded in December of 2020. They're selling it for $19.95. It has almost 600 sales in the last 7 days and almost 3,000 sales in the last 30 days. You guys can see right here that it's made almost $60,000 in revenue for this store. We'll go ahead and analyze the store by clicking on this icon right here. So we'll change this from last 30 days. We'll go ahead and look at the sales data from the last 14 days. And you guys can see that this kid's toy right here has over 1,300 sales and almost $30,000 in revenue over the last 2 weeks. Once again, we can click on this link right here and it'll take you to their product page. And you guys can see that this simple product page right here is making over $30,000 in sales every 2 weeks for this store. If you guys want to sell this same product yourself, you can click on this AliExpress icon down here, and it's going to give you an AliExpress link for the exact same product to sell yourself. So let's go ahead and do one more search and get a little crazy with the numbers in order to really find products that are outperforming. We'll go ahead and once again leave keywords blank. We want to look in all niches. We'll look at dropshipping stores instead of just one product stores. We'll go ahead and choose the country, US again. We'll do currency, US. We'll do revenue. This time we'll say $50,000 in minimum revenue over the last, let's say 14 days instead. We'll say 500 sales once again. We'll look at products that are advertised on Facebook and TikTok ads. Those are pretty easy ad platforms to get started with. And we'll go ahead and search right here. So you guys can see that all of these products down here match our search criteria. They're making over $50,000 in sales every 2 weeks, or 6 figures a month. And these are all simple products that you could sell yourself. Look at these wood sunglasses right here. So I highly recommend messing around with Zik Analytics if you want to find winning products yourself. By using a tool like Zik, you can spot trends early and outsell your competition. This will allow you to make 6 and even 7 figures with dropshipping long term. If you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing with others, and subscribing for more. I also have a free course linked down below to help you get started and make your first few sales. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.